What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Monday, so you know what that means. It's time for another video, and I'm pretty excited. I know I may not look excited because your girl is having some stuff going on up here, but it is wash day, and I am so excited because I thought, hey, wash day can be kind of dreadful, but let's jazz it up and try a new natural hairstyle. And I'm so excited. So I've got all my products out here with me. I thought maybe I would just show you guys some of the things that I use that I'm having really good results with, as far as like the conditioning of my hair, the moisture of my hair. Just really excited about the results that I've been getting. And so I'm a big Kandid girl. So I've got the avocado hydrating shampoo. It smells amazing. It feels amazing, and I'm loving my results. Living in the desert has had its tribulations as far as me learning how to really take care of and maintain really good hair care for myself. And I've had really good luck with the Kandid products. So I'm super excited. This is the shampoo that I really love. Like, I really, really love. Like, you guys have no idea. It's my fave. I also use the leave-in conditioner soothing lotion. Smells really good, has really good results, and I actually enjoy it so much that I've actually been using this on my son, just to kind of help to maintain that moisture, keep a healthy scalp, those kind of things. But that's my other product that I'm using. I also use the tea tree and jojoba hair and scalp oil. There we go. Hair and scalp oil. I really love this product. It smells amazing. Like I said, I have fallen in love with it, so this is also another product that I use on myself and Daniel. But it's really good. You know, it helps protect against the breakage, and that's a really big thing with me, especially, you know, in learning this new aspect of being a natural hair wearing girl. For those of you that don't know, I have been wearing, I say wearing natural hair, but it's actually, for me, been going permless for several years now. So this is something that I really stand by, that, you know, I just really enjoy and get really good results from. I also use their Define and Shine Custard, as well as the Coconut Curling Cream. These two kind of go hand in hand. I really enjoy them. The Define and Shine Custard, I think, helps to hold the shine to the hair so that I don't have those dull moments. And it also allows me the ability to take my time in preparing to style my hair. You guys know wash day can be kind of stressful. It can be kind of a daunting task, but I really love this because it maintains the moisture that allows me to take my time and style in a healthy fashion. And with the coconut curling cream, you know, it just helps to define the moisture, strengthen those strands so that you really get the definition and the style that you're looking for. So pretty excited about that. But the look that I'm going to go for today is actually the Xtreme. I'm using the Xtreme gel. I'm holding it like this because I'm a little bit nervous, so you guys have to bear with your girl, because this is definitely a new task for me. But it's the wet look. It's the curling wet look. So I'm pretty excited to try it out. All of the recommendations that I've been seeing are to use the new gel as opposed to the old gel that kind of had a heavier texture and takes away from the style a little bit. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. So first things first, let's wash some hair. Okay, so we're all so fresh and so clean. As you can see, I've got the Define and Shine Custard, so it does leave, like, you know, it looks a little funky, but trust me, I'm telling y'all, it's worth it. It's worth the funky look. When my hair is wet, I do kind of have like this mohawk thing going, and it's mainly from, you know, just the way that I wash my hair, like trying to make sure that I'm getting each and every section clean and all that jazz. So I'm just kind of separating my hair right now so I can make sure, see my little puff? My little puff up here. Make sure I can get this gel going here. And I'm really trying not to take forever to do this style, because I really can't. I have like so much stuff to do today, y'all. You have no idea. So much stuff to do today. But I'm excited to try this style because I think it's going to be really cute. if you guys are following me on any of my social media, you know that I have been doing the wearing my hair out of protective styles pretty much since the beginning of the quarantine. So I'm pretty excited just seeing some of the growth in my hair. I'm trying not to like play in it, but just seeing like some of the length there. Look at this, y'all. It's popping a little bit. Like I got a little pop back here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, but let's get focused here, people. It's me, not you. I mean, it's kind of you because I'm doing this to entertain you, but at the same time it's me because, you know, it's my antics. Okay, so I've got my hair sectioned off here. Let's see. I probably should have brought my clips instead of my hair ties, but So let's get the gel. Look at this. Okay, this jar is huge. It's massive, and it's actually not expensive at all. I was at the store to pick up one thing and left with other things, but they're still important because I'm using them. Take that, Charles. So there's this, the Xtreme Professional Wet Line Gel. Ooh. Okay, this smells so good. It smells so good. I love that smell. It reminds me of something, but I can't place it right now. If I figure it out, I'll put a pop-up on there. It smells really good. Let's see. I'm excited. I'm excited to try it. I'm a little detangle here. Here. And my hair is still really, really wet. So I'm hoping that helps your girl out just a smidge. Let's get this going here. Ooh. Ooh. That feels so good. Like, I was definitely that kid that used to fall asleep when I would go get my hair done or braided at all. Shout out to my sister Jamie. She knows every time she braids my hair, your girl be out. So when I go to other people and I have to stay awake getting my hair done, it's exhausting. Like, I leave and the first thing I want to do is take a nap. Unless I go and get a sew-in with my girl Shakina, then I stay up talking to her about everything under the sun. But for the most part, your girl be trying to take a nap. That's all I be wanting to do. Okay, let me section this little bitty piece off really quick here. Okay. The application is pretty good. Doesn't feel too different, not heavy, not gross, like doesn't have that gross sticky feeling that gel can sometimes have. Look at that. I'll try to zoom in so you guys can see. I am recording this video by myself. C is not home, so there's no one to zoom in and out on my camera for me. So I'm doing it all by myself, but I'm trying to get done in a timely fashion, and if I wait for them to come home, Lord only knows. Because honestly, y'all, if I wasn't recording this right now, I'd probably be asleep. Because your girl stayed up too late last night. Trying to kick it. Trying to kick it. Can I kick it? No, I can't. I'm old. Okay. Let me concentrate here. Get this last section going. I'm liking the way the curls are coming out. They're coming out really, really pretty. Kind of got a little Shirley Temple vibe going on back here. Let's see. Okay, so I am all done getting the gel in. My hair is still holding on to that water from the wash. But I feel like once I applied the gel and, you know, did the twist, that it tightened up a lot. Normally, like if I do a braid out, or I'm not sure what I got going over here. Oh, it's a piece of hair. I'm like, what is this hanging onto my face? I can't get it off. But I feel like when I do the two-strand twist that I get a bang, a better bang, which I care for because I have a forehead. Like, I have a forehead that I like to not show off. Like, that's just what it is. But yeah, so far so good. I like the style of it. It went on pretty good. This section is giving me the blues, y'all. It's giving me the blues. I'm trying to get it together. I think it's just so used to the other side. The other style that it's like, wait, she changed it. What's happening here? Hold on a second. Let's get this going here. Okay. But yeah, it's holding on, like I said, to the moisture. So we're going to go ahead and head to the bathroom so I can dry it and get these final results. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so your girl's all dried out, that sounds bad, dry, we'll go dry, and I'm kind of digging it. Like, a lot of the tutorials for this style that I saw went, pause, great, of course, yeah, but I dig it a lot. I really dig it. A lot of the styles that I saw for this particular style were longer, not necessarily longer, but just, you know, it's different. But I think the thing that I enjoy so much about getting to know my hair and learning what works for my hair, what doesn't work for my hair, is that, you know, all the different tutorials and all of that, they just look different on everybody's hair, and that's kind of fun to me, just getting to experiment and try it out. But I'm really digging it. I did go ahead and do my face because I wanted to kind of just see, like, full look what I really thought. So you guys tell me what you think. I really enjoy it because it kind of gives me a perspective on what my hair would look like if I decided to cut it really short. So I'm pretty excited about that part of it. And ultimately, the best compliment is showing it to my husband and him being like, oh yeah, I like that. He never knows who he's gonna get coming out of the bathroom, and that's always fun. I'm just doing my edges right now, just laying them down, getting them together. And I do have my brush out here. I don't know why I'm just acting like I don't, but I do. So just getting the girls situated here. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. But yes, if you guys have tried this style out, I would love to know your tips, tricks, thoughts, all of that. One of the videos that I saw that tried this particular style did talk about it as a wash and go, and for me I was kind of like, I don't know, because I've done the twist out pretty much the entire journey and learning how to like maintain it, sleeping at night, that kind of thing. So to me, that particular style looks different every like 2 to 3 days. It looks different to me. But with this style, I'm interested to see how it holds up. So you guys let me know if you have any suggestions, different things for me to try. I am really looking forward to seeing the end result and what you guys think. So that will do it. Oh, I love this. I'm pretty excited about this new edge control too. Someone suggested that I try it. I love it. It is the 24-hour edge tamer by Eben, not sure how to say it, but I love it. It smells great and clearly works very well. So let me just do this one little piece here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all, I'm feeling myself a little bit. I'm loving this little short jump we got going here. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go out. And by go out, I mean Walgreens in the grocery store, because, you know, it's quarantine. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really, truly appreciate it. You have no idea how much it means to me for you guys to take the time out to press play and enjoy this video of all of my crazy thoughts and all of my wonderful antics. But if you are a new viewer or you've just been a viewer and you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to do that. And don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified when I post again. That's going to be it for today, but we will see you guys again next Monday. Until then, have a wonderful week and we'll see you soon. Bye.